Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kawawa ka naman.
Yeah, I will be rest in peace. Totoo naman, pag rest in peace, pag wala kang phone talaga, mag-live ka na ata.
Nag-live na ako.
We will be... Hello everyone. Where is my face?
There, oh, nandun.
Hello, we will be... I don't have phone. My goodness.
Makikipon.
I don't have phone.
Ay, ako, Diyos ko.
You know the feeling of you don't have a phone? Can someone just drop a message how to overcome these struggles? I don't have phone. And Ate Merlin just told me that if you don't have phone, then you just rest in peace. And I said, really, yeah. It's a peaceful, but I will be totally rest in peace. I don't have phone.
Ay, Diyos ko. Napakasaklang.
Guys, I don't have phone. Can someone advise me how to overcome this? Help, help, help. Rest for a while. Oh, thank you. Who is this, Mirza?
Ako yan.
I just don't like to rest in peace.
Just for a while. It's okay.
I want a miserable life. Merlin just told me to rest in peace.
Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
أهلا أهلا كيف الحال؟ الحمد لله. ها؟ Yeah. Because I don't have phone, then I just want to present myself here.
Wala ka talagang dito. Bagay, time naman na may. Time.
Even 5 minutes.
Time
you
to
don't
be
have a
alive.
phone. If you don't have a phone for 5 minutes, it feels like
Did.
ano yan? Taob ang langit at lupa.
Ganun talaga.
Pinagtaob ang langit at lupa. Wala akong cell.